You're on.
Okay, so we're cutting to the chase here because I have a little family emergency here. Basically, this is the last step here. I did the rest of these black poles as I've done earlier. This is basically it in a nutshell. These black things, they just click right. They just click right in here. Until I pull the poles in place. So I'm going to just do a few of these. So you see, just take them. Got a little. Oh, this is busted.
Uh-oh.
Got these little grippers. I hope so.
If
They
not,
just click right in. Boom,
I'll
boom.
have to tell them. I'm sure they gave you extras.
Probably, because they usually give you extra parts or something.
Yeah.
Because they know that it's pretty much going to get busted or something.
Alright, and then just trouble fitting this one in.
It's being stubborn.
Yep.
Saying you can't make me go in.
Alright.
Just kidding.
Come on. Let's try it this way. Alright, there we go. I just had to turn it over. Then it went right in. That's random.
David, I need to stop from
That's it.
Okay,
this is
that's
literally
it.
it. Just clicking these in.
All right, there you go. And then, it'll be a matter of putting their board down across and their mattress.
Yeah, apparently it's another
But
broken
this is
one.
how to assemble the...
There's another broken one.
Man, I hope you got enough. Excuse me. Okay, get out of your way.
Oh, okay. So there's a right way to put these on. Apparently these have a. Apparently, got this little gap here. So this is the side that goes up to the poles.
Okay.
This side goes away from the poles. So it does have a right way up.
Yeah.
All right.
And there you have it. There is the completed bed frame. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Okay. And thanks for watching. And as always, the fun never ends in Sea Sparkles Corner. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe. Hugs and kisses from my family trust. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.